Hi Hadu, today I'm going to paint a scenery. As you can see, this is a, complete frame canvas which is made with date palm leaves. So you know the taller trees which is called date palm. So their leaves and its bottom size, the bottom part is cut into pieces and it's just made at home DIY framing. So I can show you the opposite side. You can see that I just put some bamboo stalks and you can see the texture of the date palm leaves. And on the opposite side I'm just doing the painting, and you can see the border. It's just the bamboo slit, you know, the slices of the bamboo pieces, then I put into color. Then I'm going to draw a scenery. Stay with us and see how we can start the drawing. So for the trees first, from this side I'm going to paint the branches. So the branches goes upward. You can see the drawing. I just started here. From the top you can see the separations of the two branches here. You can see, and it's coming to here. As you know that this is not a completely a plain surface, so the texture is little bit rough and the canvas is also rough. So that's why the painting here is not going to be the smooth. It has a different type of effect, and which is also looks good because each category has its own beauty. So you can see that for putting the paints and the colors, I'm just putting my brush strokes in a careful way, because I cannot put the long strokes here. It's not uh, it's not possible because of this rough surface. So I have to fill up all the ups and downs within the texture of this painting canvas. But let's proceed. So that's not the problem. Every type of the canvas or every types of painting has its own beauty and also different styles. So it's separate canvas, and painting is also going to be separate style. All right, so I'm putting the grass at the bottom of the trees. Okay, putting some other strokes here. Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm also doing the uh, scenery grasses here in some other places. Okay, all right, and I'm going to put the leaves color, which is going to be the red color. For other the branches, you can see the color red here. Awesome. Also putting red here. Mm-hmm. Okay, another one you can see here. All right, some red here, and some other parts on the top you can see I'm doing right now. Okay, and also here. So you can see the layers and distributions. Mm-hmm. Let's put another branch here. It's like a kind of biggest tree, so looking good. Awesome. Putting few colors for the red with the black. It's like a mixture and combinations. Okay, so you can see the few are on the top, so I have to connect it with the branches of the tree. That's why I'm putting the branches here. Mm-hmm. Also connecting this part here with the tree, so every part is connected. Okay, All right, so you can see the taller grass in some places. Okay, now maybe I'm going to put a person who is just sitting here up the hill. This is the head and this is the body. Mm-hmm. Okay, after that I'm going to put the legs here you can see, and hands on the back. Okay, all right, let's put a fence here. So all the pins have some angles which is horizontal and some pins which is vertical. So vertical members are done. Now I'm putting the horizontal frames here. Mm-hmm. Okay, so after all the horizontal frames, the panel you can see here. Okay, now we're going to use some white color for the completions of the drawing. So let's put a moon here, which is round shape. So putting the colors for the moons here. Mm-hmm. Awesome, so the moon you can see here, and for this figure drawing I have to like highlighted the figure of the body. So let's put some white color alongside the drawings. Mm-hmm. So you can see a people who is just sitting. Okay, also we are going to make the tree visually good, just putting the shade around the branches and the whole combinations coming down to the earth. Mm-hmm. So it's like putting the white shade on the side of the branches. That's how the branches become visible. Awesome. So in some places you can see the branch is getting visible. So now it looks good. Okay. Now only the the fence is left. So let's put some white color on the top of the fence. Then maybe we're going to put the colors white for the vertical angles. So let's draw the horizontal angles first, then we are moving to the vertical angles. Because it's a moonlit night, so the darkness prevails all over the canvas. Mm-hmm.